Hi, my name is Eli and this is Tech Talk. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Cite This For Me extension on Google Chrome. Now, first what I need for you to do is come over here to Google Chrome, open it up. Then from there, what I want you to do is grab the URL I posted in the description and paste it into the search bar. It'll take you straight to the Chrome Web Store. Right click, paste, and click enter. And then from there, what I need for you to do is come up here to the search bar, just search up Cite This For Me, and click enter. Then from there, what I want you to do is just click on this first extension. It'll take you to a page that looks somewhat like this. And then click on the blue Add to Chrome button. From there, a box is going to pop up asking you if you want to add this extension. All you have to do is just click Add Extension. And then from there, it'll install this extension on Google Chrome. Now, if you have any questions about what we talked about today, make sure to leave them down in the comment section below and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. This has been Eli from Tech Talk. See you next time.